My name is Marvin Tang. I'm the distributor for Aromaster, which is a wine aroma kit for both Hong Kong, China, and Macau. I have been in the Hong Kong, actually the Asia wine since long before they removed the import duty for wine. So back then I was importing wines and paying around 80% taxes to import my favorite wine, which are the California wines. And right now I'm spending most of my time in China promoting this wine aroma kit. The consumption rate definitely gone up, but as compared to European countries like Spain, France, it's still very, very low, especially in Hong Kong. It's cheaper because you get a lot of variety to be able to pick. Say, back then when I started doing wine, if you go to the supermarket with $100 Hong Kong dollar, you can only probably pick a few bottles, that's around $100. And nowadays, with $100 you can go into the supermarket and you can basically pick like 100 or 200 different type of varieties. So definitely people start drinking more wine, but the consumption rate is still so because like we Asian still cannot really relate red wine with Chinese food as much yet. And it's the same thing happening in China, because like China people, there's something probably you know about the white wine, very famous Chinese white wine. People consume a lot of white wine rather than red wine when they eat or go out and drink with friends. In China, most Chinese drinks a wine they call the white wine. In Mandarin called baijiu. What is baijiu? Actually, is the wine that were made from rice. That's now still the majority in China, especially in northern China. Say for example, like actually I went to a wine show in Chengdu, and there are 9 different halls in there. I think most of them, at least 3 or 4 halls besides other wine accessories, they are promoting white wines. And these few years, the white wine business in China is so competitive that everybody start putting a special label and special brand, and then they start advertising like with a different year or anniversary label. In my experience for the last few years in doing the wine business in Hong Kong, still French wine is the majority, because it has been in Hong Kong, influenced a lot of wine drinking in Hong Kong since many years ago. But as a new generation comes up, when they want to enjoy a glass of wine, and most of the French wine will be too harsh for beginners. So they tend to move to the new world wine, including wine that are more fruity and more floral and are more pleasant to drink. So I know the older generation, they prefer some really full body, big, jammy type wine. But nowadays the generations, they like something more mellow, more silky and more balanced. We're talking about Pinot Noir, and a lot of Merlot has been consumed. And when you go onto the white wines, and people still likes still prefer something more sweeter than dry wine. And dry white, there are a lot of oyster lover or seafood lover would pick the dry white wine to pair with the seafood in Hong Kong, which is very common. But for beginners drinkers, they prefer Riesling or maybe something that are more a little bit on the sweet side. Aromaster is a wine aroma kit. What it does is educational toolkits for wine drinkers and wine lovers to help them to get more familiarized with all the aromas and bouquets that find in wines. 80 different aromas and bouquets in the Aromaster, including fruit, flowers, spices, and minerals, and even some wine faults. This is a professional toolkit, and it's made for the sommeliers or wine professional. But nowadays, a lot of wine students and teachers, they find that this is very helpful. Apart from the traditional education tool, this includes a board game and the game pieces that you can actually play a game of wine aroma with your friends and family. When you get a glass of wine and drinking, you can start playing a game. Aromaster is being sold in all different countries and translated into different language. And in China, they have to simplify. In Taiwan, they have the traditional. Hi, I'm Marvin Tang. I'm with Aromaster, and you are on winebuzz.hk.